Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to get Roblox on your Chromebook. The only way to achieve this is by utilizing the Google Play Store, which allows you to install Android applications directly onto your device. First, you need to ensure your Chromebook is compatible and has the Play Store enabled. This method provides the full Roblox experience, letting you access millions of games and connect with friends seamlessly. It's a straightforward process once you understand the initial setup. To begin, open your Chromebook settings menu. Look for the Apps section, usually found on the left-hand side. Within this section, you will find an option to turn on the Google Play Store. Simply toggle this feature to enable it. This crucial step integrates the Android app ecosystem into your Chromebook, making it possible to download and run Roblox and many other applications. Once the Google Play Store is enabled, open the Play Store application from your Chromebook's app launcher. In the search bar at the top, type Roblox and press Enter. You will see the official Roblox app listed in the search results. Click on it, then select the Install button. The app will then download and install, typically taking a few minutes depending on your internet speed. For a smooth experience, remember that your Chromebook must support Android applications. Most modern Chromebooks do, but it's worth checking. Also, ensure you have sufficient storage space. Roblox typically requires around 300 megabytes for the initial installation. Keeping your Chromebook's operating system updated will also help ensure optimal performance and compatibility with the Roblox application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.